Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your name on TikTok in just a few simple steps. Open the TikTok app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, tap the Edit Profile button, which is just below your profile picture. In the Edit Profile section, look for the name field. Tap on it to open the text box. Delete your current name and type in the new name you would like to use. Make sure your new name follows TikTok's guidelines. Once you are satisfied with your new name, tap the save or checkmark icon depending on your device to confirm your changes. Return to your profile to check that the name has been updated successfully, and that's it. Your TikTok name is now updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips.